American Ninja Warrior, the hit TV series where competitors rely on strength, balance, and perseverance to overcome difficult obstacles. Inspired by the crazy athletic challenges, DIYers have implemented their own homebrew Ninja Warrior courses in gyms and backyards all over the world. We are Team Backyard Ninjas, and this is our critical course, the Tiger Tiles.
Designed for children between the ages of 6 and 15 years old, this obstacle requires both balance and tenacity. We started with a list of requirements from the perspective of a gym owner, operator who wants to expand an existing Ninja Warrior program with the addition of a new obstacle course.
The goal is to bring new customers to the Ninja Warrior program. In order to do this, this obstacle has to be exciting and unique, but it also has to be safe, easy to operate, and easy to fit into the current class flow.
With a budget of $3,000 set and the customer requirements agreed upon, we got right to work brainstorming. We used a variety of methods to systematically generate and evaluate concepts. We took inspiration from TV shows, from existing playsets and water parks, from museums, and even from nature.
Once we had our final alternatives, we took the candidates to our customers for feedback. They liked them all, so we combined the best of the designs and produced our final concept, a mountain climb to floating tiles that we call Tiger Tiles.
The participants first scale a rock wall to the starting platform 4 feet off of the ground. Then they jump from tile to tile to reach the end. These tiles are suspended by springs and are difficult to balance on.
If they fall into a mat below and can exit from underneath. There is plenty of padding for safety. If they are successful, they reach the end platform and slide down directly to the next obstacle in the course sequence.
We were encouraged to use recycled and repurposed material. This sent us on several journeys to dismantle trampolines and playsets that we found online. We even found ourselves in a scrapyard at one point looking for anything we could use.
We conducted tensile testing on the recovered trampoline springs. By the end of it, we had learned a great deal about the physics behind springs and tensile testing. We were excited that all of our engineering requirements, including weight maximums and the K values of our springs, were satisfied.
We did a lot of research into the legal and ethical considerations into building this kind of structure. We talked to professional engineers and did a lot of research into the standards and laws that apply to our project.
Unfortunately, our customer was unable to proceed with this project. The need for additional scrutiny from professional engineers and the process for obtaining building permits were beyond the client's capabilities. We are instead finishing this project as a set of plans, documents, and drawings that can be handed off to a new customer for them to build in accordance with ethical, legal, and safety standards.
We would like to thank our amazing guide, Sarah Brownell, as well as Mr. Dobrinsky and Professors Ivancy, Iglesias, and Humphrey for their help with the design and testing.
We are proud of our design and couldn't be more satisfied with our teamwork. The Tiger Tiles was more than just a project. It was a growth experience for all of us.